Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify wireframes in Adobe XD for client approvals, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe XD and load the project containing your wireframes. Navigate to the left-hand panel to access your artboards. Select the artboard you wish to verify for client approval. Review the layout and ensure all elements align with the project requirements. Check the overall structure. Next, examine the text elements for accuracy and consistency. Make sure font sizes and styles are uniform across the wireframes. Verify the spacing between elements is consistent for a clean design. Use the preview mode to see how your wireframes will look when shared. Click on the play button at the top right corner to enter preview mode. Interact with your wireframes by clicking on buttons and links. Ensure all interactive elements function as intended. Take notes on any areas that require adjustments or improvements. If using comments or annotations, select the comment tool from the right panel. Add notes directly onto the wireframes to clarify design decisions. When ready, share the wireframes with the client. Click on the Share button at the top right corner. Choose your sharing options based on the client's preferences. Copy the generated link to share directly with the client. Consider adding a brief message summarizing key points of the wireframes. Wait for client feedback and be prepared to discuss any revisions. Respond to feedback iteratively, adjusting the wireframes as needed. Re-verify the changes made before sending an updated version. Follow the same process for all wireframes that require client approval. Maintain a clear record of client communications for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.